on another video. I was going through my analytics and I wanted to know what videos was most watched. And the most watched videos through my analytics was my Poplin / such share, which is the laundry videos, and also my cooking videos. And I also knew that the Poplin videos was most popular because I get more questions. So I do want you guys to know I don't do this full time. I do it in between my full-time job as a caregiver. So what I'm going to show you guys what I made in the month of December, and if I can, I'll show you what I made in the month of November. And if I can remember each month, maybe for the next couple of months, I will just show you what I made during that month. And again, keep in mind, I do not do this full time. So I'll be back with the payouts.